Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You are watching InfoPack. Here we are learning about number system conversions. So let's start. Today we are going to convert decimal number into octal. So to convert a decimal number into octal, we divide the number by 8 and take quotient and remainder. In step 2, we continue dividing the quotient by 8 until we get quotient 0 or less than 8. We write out all the remainders in reverse order to obtain the value in octal. So let's solve an example. Here is a number 185 that is in decimal form and we have to convert it into octal. So write the number 185 and divide it with the base of octal, that is 8. So 8 2s are 16 and the carry is 2. Now it will become 25 and 8 3s are 24 and the remainder is 1. 8 2s are 16 and the remainder is 7. Now we have to stop here because 2 is smaller than its base. And now write all the remainders from down to up direction. So the remainders are 271 and the number 185 in octal form is 271. Let's see another example. Now the number is in fractional form and we have to convert it into octal. To convert the fractional number into octal, we have to write the number here and answer here, and we have to separate the fractional and integral part of a number. For example, here 0 is an integral part and 0.3 is fractional part. And we are going to multiply 0.3 with the base of octal. 8 multiply 0.3 is equal to 2.4. Answer is 2.4 and now we have to write fractional part separate and integral part separate. Here the fractional part is 0.4 and integral part is 2. Again take the fractional part, that is 0.4, and multiply it with 8. Now the answer is 3.2 and 0.2 is the fractional part and integral part is 3. Again we will multiply the fractional part with 8 and the answer is 1.6. Here we will write the fractional part 0.6 and integral part 1. Again we will continue this multiplication. 8 multiply 0.6 is equal to 4.2 and it is fractional part and integral part is 4. And now multiply 0.8 with 8 and the answer is 6.4. Write here 0.4 and the integral part 6 here. Now be careful when you write the integral part, you have to write these from up to down direction, up to down direction. Now 0.3 in octal form is 0.23146. Now we are going to convert octal number into decimal. To convert octal number into decimal, write down the octal number which is 271 in this example. List the powers of octal from right to left starting with 0. In this example, the power of 8 starts from 0 and ends at 2. Multiply its corresponding powers to each octal value. In above example, there are 3 octal values. Add all the values and write the answer along with its base subscript. It is necessary to write the base subscript. So let's see an example to understand these steps. Here is a number, we are going to convert it into decimal and we have to multiply this number with its base. 2 multiply 8 plus 7 multiply 8 plus 1 multiply 8 and now write the powers from right to left 0, 1, 2. 8 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Be careful whenever you solve this power. So So 8 raised to power 2 is equal to 64 and multiply 2 is equal to 128 and 7 multiply 8 is equal to 56 and 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1 because 8 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. By adding these three values we will get 185 that is in decimal form. And if you want to convert fractional number into decimal you have to multiply these digits with its base. But now powers are in negative form and to solve the powers we will divide these powers with the digits like 2 divided by 8 and 3 divided by 64 and 1 divided by 512 and now the final number is 0.2988 that is in decimal form. So today you have learned to convert decimal number into octal and octal number into decimal, and in next video you will learn the conversion of decimal number into hexadecimal. Take care. Allah Hafiz.